Hello, children. In this class, we are going to start a new chapter, and the name of the chapter is Going into Space. Okay, so let's start. How would you go from your house to your neighbor's house? How you go to your house from neighbor house, or your house to your school, or your city to neighboring city, country to far off country, earth or to moon? Okay. Let us read about space, spacecraft, and astronauts. In this chapter, we are going to know about uh, space, spacecraft. The spacecraft is a vehicle by which we go to the space. This is a special vehicle. And astronauts. Who are astronauts? Those people who go to space for various reasons or for experiment are called astronauts. First of all, we have to learn that what is space. Space is a blank place beyond the layer of air that surround the earth. You can see in the picture, this is earth and this is the layer of air, and beyond this layer there is no air or water there. This is called space. If you throw a stone or a ball up in the air, it falls back in the ground. By that, we can understand that the earth pull everything towards it, and this is called force of gravity. Earth pull every single thing towards it, and it is called gravity. And it is so strong that it is not easy to get out of the earth's pull and escape into the space. So if we want to escape the gravitational pull of the earth, we need a special vehicle, and that is called space rocket. We can't go in the space with helicopter or aeroplane. They are not able to go to the space. So we need a special vehicle like that. This is a space rocket, and it travels very fast. With this vehicle we can go to the space. Some more pictures of spacecraft or space rocket here. These are the space rocket. Now we about to learn the man on the moon. Man succeed to go to the moon, and of course with a special vehicle, and the name of the vehicle is Apollo 11. This is also a spacecraft. This is the picture of Apollo 11. It is a spacecraft, and it launches in 1969. In the year 1969, man succeed to go to the moon, and the first man who ever stepped on the moon is Neil Armstrong. Here is a picture of Neil Armstrong. He is the first man to step on the moon, and with him two more astronauts are there. They are Edwin Aldrin and Michael Collins, who traveled in the spacecraft of Apollo 11 with Neil Armstrong. Now let us learn about the moon. We can heard many stories about the moon. There is no air, no air or no water, and without air and water, no life is possible. So there is no life on the moon. This is some pictures of the moon surface. You can see, and you can see there are big holes in the moon, and they are called potholes. Here is a picture that the astronauts working on the moon. Some more picture of potholes are here. You can see they are huge potholes. Potholes means the holes, the very big holes. You can see the holes in the roads, but the potholes of moon are much more bigger than the holes, and the gravitational pull is less than the earth. If a man weighs 90 kilograms in the earth, if he weighs in the moon, his weight is 15 kilogram. It is the 1/6 of the weight on the earth. By that we understand that the gravitational pull of moon is less 1/6 of earth. Next, space travel. We read that astronauts go space in a spacecraft. Uh, I told you that by this spacecraft, the astronauts go to the space, and uh, they wear a special suits that is called spacesuit. Like that, this is spacesuit. This is the another type of spacesuit. Without wearing this, you cannot go to the space. And the special features of this spacecraft is it is full of air, and it contains supply of air also. As the space is empty, there is no air, and without air no life is possible. So we wear this type of special suit to live on the earth, to live on the space. And in the space they work various type of work, they experiments there, and when needed they also repair the spacecraft. Here you can see the astronaut repair their spacecraft, and they experiment various things there. Here is the another picture. You can see they repair the spacecraft. And now let us read about two space women India is proud of. This is a picture of Kalpana Chawla, and she is the first Indian woman who go into the space. In the year 1997, in a space shuttle, means spacecraft of Columbia, she first go to the space, and he again go to the space in January 2003, and she died on 1st February 2003 by when her space shuttle crashed on the return journey. And another Indian woman, and whose name is Sunita Williams, she is the she was the second woman, Indian woman who go to the space in the and she stayed on the space for 6 months, or 195 days. These two women make us proud. Okay, students, that's all for now. Uh, we will continue the exercise in the next class. Thank you.